Good morning, everybody. My name is Noya Listia Kusmagiri. You can call me Listia. I feel so bored right now. Now I'm looking for a way to get rid of boredom. I have an idea. I want to share my lesson at last week. It is about procedure text. The one of them is recipe. I learned about what is recipe, social function of recipe, general structure of recipe, and the last one is language features of recipe. Aha! Why don't we just practice last week's lesson? Let's check it out. Today, I will tell you how to make sweet potato balls. We need some ingredients to make sweet potato balls. That is sweet potatoes, sugar, and the last one is salt. Some steps to make sweet potato balls. First, wash the sweet potatoes under running water, like this. Next, steam the sweet potatoes about 20 minutes to reach perfect doneness, like this. Remove the sweet potatoes. Next, mash the sweet potatoes until smooth, like this. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and pinch of salt and mix well, like this. Pinch of salt. Now mix well. Form the sweet potato balls and don't forget to wear gloves to keep it hygienic, like this. Is plating. Yay, it's finished! Before I taste this sweet potato balls, for your information, in general structure of recipe, there are rules, ingredients, and steps. And for your information, in language features of recipe, there are using simple present tense, using imperative sentence, using temporal conjunction, and the last one is using action verb. Okay. Now I will try sweet potato balls. It's so yummy. I hope you try it. Thanks for watching and bye.